Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the serpentine belt on Toyota Auris 1.4 petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. The serpentine belt is just here on this side. In order to get access to the serpentine belt, first we need to remove the engine cover. The engine cover is held by two bolts that we need to remove and then take it out. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, you'll find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that the engine cover is removed, we have access to the serpentine belt. This is the serpentine belt right there, and this is the tensioner right there. Now we're going to get a wrench and move the tensioner clockwise so that we can loosen the belt. To move the tensioner, I'm going to be using this wrench size 19, and I'm going to move the tensioner clockwise, and you'll see how the belt will get loosened. And we can remove it. Now I'll show you a closer view of where exactly I put the wrench. You can see that where I put the wrench on the tensioner, there is space exactly where I need to put it on so that I can move the tensioner. Here it is. You can see now where I put it on. Now I'm going to move the tensioner clockwise, and you'll see how the belt gets loosened, and now I can take out the belt. After I remove the belt, I can let go of the wrench and then take out the belt and replace it with a new one. Here I show you the condition of the belt. You can see the belt is in a very bad condition. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one, but before that I'll show you a diagram of the routing of the belt. This is the part number for the new belt, and this is the new belt. Now I'm going to put it around all the pulleys. I'm going to put it around the tensioner pulley as well, and the last pulley I'm going to put it on is gonna be the alternator pulley, which is closest to me. Once I put the belt around all the pulleys, before I put the belt onto the alternator pulley, I'm going to move the tensioner clockwise with my wrench, and then I'm going to put it onto the last pulley. Now the belt is around all the pulleys except for the alternator pulley. Now I'm going to move the tensioner clockwise, you can see with my wrench, and I'm going to put on the belt onto the last pulley. Now the belt is on to all the pulleys, so that means we can take out the belt, we can take out the wrench, and we're done with replacing the serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.